Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be learning how to make knotless braid. So knotless braid is very simple to make. All you need to do is just get the basic. So I'm going to start by sectioning my hair into the size I want. If you're making knotless braid, you have to try it as much as possible to get that pencil mouth. Like the beginning of the braid has to be pencil. Okay, that's what makes it knotless. So I'm going to section the braid into what I want. I want it to be tiny, okay, not too big, not too small, so that the knotless will show very well and come out very beautiful. So as you can see, I've sectioned the hair, and then I'll just go ahead and comb it and keep one side. Then the attachments I'm going to be using for the braid, I'm going to select it and keep, because I don't have someone to remove for me. When you're making someone's hair, it's either the person is removing the attachments for you, or you have another person that is stand by removing the attachments for you. But in this case, I don't have anyone. I'm just going to use that tiny chair you're seeing there, and then remove the attachments and place them there. You can see that the first one I remove is very, very tiny. It has to be very tiny so that the knotless braid will come out very fine. And then the second attachment I'm removing is also tiny, just like the first one. Okay, the third one is I'm going to add a little more than the first and the second attachments, a little more than the first and second attachments. And then from the third one, from the fourth attachment is going to come out. The fourth attachment will be bigger than the third one, and then the fifth one is going to be bigger than the fourth one, just like that, till you get the desired size you want. Some people want the braid to be tiny, some people want the braid to be big. So it's now up to you to know how to select your attachments, you understand? So after doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and braid. Please watch how I do it. It's very, very simple. And while watching this video, kindly click on that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to always get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for doing that. So guys, it's time to make the knotless braid. Now you're going to start by sectioning the person's natural hair into three. Some people like to start with attachments, but me, I either start with attachments or the natural hair. So I start by braiding the person's natural hair like 2 to 3 times before adding the attachments. Okay, and when you're braiding it, make sure that the hair is tight. Okay, just like you are doing Ghana weaving. So that's the technique you're using in making knotless braid, just like making Ghana weaving. Try to make the mouth to be pencil. If your attachment is not tiny, the knotless is not going to come out very well. The knotless braid is not going to come out very well. So try as much as possible to get that pencil mouth, because that is what makes it knotless braid, and you're going to see that it's going to be very, very beautiful, and you're going to love it. So thank you so much for watching, and please click on that subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.